Welcome to this instalment of Talking Trim. I'm Jonathan Skinner, and today we are looking at the lower bulkhead covers for the Jaguar E-Type open two-seater Roadster and the two-seater Fixed Head Coupe. So the lower bulkhead is just behind the seats. If I refer to this book here, we're talking about this area here that went either side. I've also got another image here, you can see here. So on the Roadsters, it was just below the Jaguar rear bulkheads, and then on the two-seater fixed heads it was below this cubby box area here. So it went from the floor up, as you can see there. Now it's worth noting that for the Roadsters it was applicable to Series 1 and Series 2. However, the very early Roadsters, most commonly noted as the flat floor, they did not have this part, as the Jaguar rear bulkhead panel actually bent down into this area here, whereas the rest of them use this part in addition to a smaller rear bulkhead Jaguar panel. For the fixed heads, it was applicable to all Series 1s and Series 2s. Easiest way of telling, effectively, for the Roadster is if this lower bulkhead here was curved, i.e. it sort of dipped in and out, then you need these material pieces here. If it was flat, then it was the flat floor version, in which case the bulkhead went all the way down. So this is the curved version, which is the more common version. There you can see the curve, and then on the flat floor versions this was flat at the back here and the rear bulkhead bent down like that. So just bear that in mind. Then you'll also notice we've got two obviously pieces of material here. You don't need both. One is Moquette, the other one is vinyl. So the earlier cars, the Series 1s, both the 3.8 and the 4.2s, were commonly leaving the factory in a Moquette material. Moquette being a very high quality wool based material that was commonly used in Jaguars of this era. And then for the Series 2s they switched to the vinyl, Leathercloth, whatever you want to call it, the PVC version basically there. So we supply one or the other. See our website for different prices. We can also obviously offer this in leather if you prefer to upgrade, and you get a piece of pre-cut foam to the same shape as that, so you can trim it to the car. Obviously it's got the cutout in the middle there for the gearbox tunnel, and there's enough excess around the edges that it allows you to go onto the surrounding floor area, etc., getting a nice neat finish. That's about it. Yeah, see our website for more details. Remember to click and subscribe and like, and of course share with other classic car enthusiasts. Till next time, cheers.